anything that's harmful to your body, anything that is harmful to your body is haram, such as poison, such as drugs. Okay? Why drugs is haram? Because it's harmful to my body. Now, regarding the smoking, listen to this. I want to test your intelligence today. Is smoking a cigarette harmful or not?
Yes. Yes, it is.
How many of you say yes? Definitely?
Yes.
Okay.
Well, smoking one won't harm you, but
Exactly.
over years
I
it will.
object.
Exactly. So we're talking about this particular cigarette. If I smoke it, will it cause me cancer?
No.
No. When is it going to cause cancer?
Over years, multiple
Over years.
uses of it.
Here where the problem starts. Some scholars says, I don't care about multiple cigarettes. You ask me about one cigarette, as long as one cigarette is not going to kill you, it's okay. Yes, if it becomes addiction, that's a different story. But one cigarette does not make it haram. If someone offers me a cigarette now, and I will take it, and the next one will be in 2023, 5 years from now, will this cigarette kill me? No, most likely no, even scientifically. So then they say it's fine. For those who take one, it may be once a day, twice a day, depending on the research, scientific research. Remember, I always said the scholar would not go in details. What is the job of the scholar? The general ruling. He gives you the general ruling. The scholar says smoking anything harmful is haram. Okay? Anything harmful. That's what he says. Anything harmful. Whether this cigarette, this particular one, Marlboro, is harmful or not, that's not the job of the scholar in Najaf. That is the job of the scholar in Harvard to tell you if it's harmful or not. So the marja' will not go in details. He will give you the general ruling. So you ask, is smoking haram or not? The scholar's answer is, if the smoking, be it once or be it 1,000 times, if it's proven scientifically harmful to your body and it causes cancer or any other diseases that you will struggle with, then it is haram.
So you know that, and you know that it's going to cause cancer. Isn't that you committing a sin knowing that it's going to cause cancer in the long run?
Yes, if that's proven. If that's proven. If that's proven that it causes cancer, because some people like Donald Trump, who believes that the climate change is a hoax. Some people tell you, no, smoking doesn't, and they give you an example of a marja' like Sayyid al-Khou'i, the highest marja' up till 92. He was 96-year-old and he kept on smoking till last day of his life. Nothing happened to him. He lived up till 96. So they tell you, I mean, that's proof that it doesn't harm. But yet, on the other hand, you have plenty of evidence that not only it harms those who smoke it, the second-hand smoker, people who live with them, their spouses, their children, their colleagues, they also are exposed to that danger. So the point I'm trying to make is that it depends. The marja' will give you the general ruling. The application is left up to you and to scholars, scientists, to prove. If you believe that smoking cigarette causes cancer, a leading cause, which I believe, yes, then it is haram.